Apple is launching a mixed reality headset? What? This might be your reaction when you're hearing it for the first time, but for some, it may not be new. Yes, Apple is currently working on a mixed reality headset which is like an AR VR combined headset. And recently, Apple with one of its shell company has registered trademarks for the word reality. So what is that trademark for? And what is Apple working on, and why is Apple working on a mixed reality headset? Let's start talking about that and watch this video till then because it is going to be really interesting. It has been quite some time since the news came in about Apple working on a mixed reality headset, and recently with one of their shell companies they have registered trademarks for the word reality, reality pro, reality OS and whatnot. Before talking about all those stuff, if you don't know me, I'm Arnav, the host, and you are watching Tech Arena. So if you're interested, just subscribe to our channel because I upload a lot of interesting tech videos on daily basis, and also share this video with your friends if you find this interesting. Like this video because it helps reach more and more people who are interested in tech channels. Anyways, let's get back to the topic on Apple working on mixed reality headsets. So this rumor regarding Apple is floating on the internet for quite some time, and now there's an update on that. So Apple with one of its shell companies has registered trademarks for words like reality, reality 1, reality pro and reality OS. Now first of all, let me explain what is a shell company. So shell company is kind of an inactive company which big companies own in order to funnel funds and also in order to secretly register trademarks so that no one gets a doubt on the actual company. Apple has done this before in New Zealand by using a law firm to register trademarks for one of their products, and likewise this seems to be another shell company of Apple which has recently filed a trademark for words like reality, reality OS, reality 1 and reality pro. So the trademark was filed by a company called as Immersive Health Solutions, which is a shell company of another shell company which is rumored to be owned by Apple. As I said, Apple has already done numerous type of trademark filings like this before. This time we expect that it is Apple in fact using one of its shell companies to file a trademark for words like reality, reality pro and reality OS. The thing that we know about this mixed reality headset is it's going to come with an reality processor which is based on M2 chipset for VR and AR headsets. And apart from that, it is also said to have 16 gigabytes of RAM and also a graphic processor that is capable to render all high quality AR and VR stuff. So these are some of the leaks in terms of what that product will have in terms of its specs, and it is said to have two variants. One is the normal variant and one is the spec boosted pro variant. So now you know Apple is working on a mixed reality headset. Now you know they have used a shell company to file trademarks for their product. Now the last question which comes into your mind, why are Apple working on a mixed reality headset? Now there are some good reasons for that. One is the introduction of Metaverse. So after Facebook has introduced Meta and the world of Metaverse, many people have started buying AR and VR headsets to experience Metaverse. And I think Apple found this space to be interesting, and there are only less competitors in terms of VR and AR headset manufacturing. So if Apple manages to manufacture a mixed reality headset, then it will be a really great thing for them to step into this Metaverse world of people who really love AR and VR headset. Yes, I do agree that it is not a big thing here in India, but in the long term it will be also a big thing here in India. But in the other markets like Europe and America, mixed reality, AR, VR, Metaverse, all these things are growing rapidly, and that's why Apple is trying to give a shot at its AR and VR capabilities with its good hardware knowledge. The second reason, as I said, less competitors. Right now, if you take the list of good brands which manufacture AR and VR headsets, they're very less, like Oculus by Meta, Valve by Steam, HP does it, Sony does it via its PlayStation IP, and only a few brands like that do when it comes to VR and AR headset manufacture. And if a $1 trillion company like Apple comes into place, then imagine the type of competition that the other brands will face. Probably Apple will be the best mixed reality headset manufacturer. So these are some of the reasons why Apple is trying to step into this kind of a market with its mixed reality headset. And with all the leaks and renders and all the fan-made renders, we're able to see that the design is going to be sick. Yes, and it's going to be simple. It's not going to be very big and bulky. No, it's going to be simple because Apple wants it to be simple. They want it to be used by a large population. So they will make it really simple. Regarding the launch date, well, we don't know when Apple will launch its mixed reality headset, but from the rumors that we are able to gather online, it seems that Apple is planning to launch this in the late 2023, and it can even get pushed to 2024. But for now, The news is that it will be launched by late 2023, the second half of 2023 probably. So yeah, if this comes into reality, what do you think will be the pricing of the AR/VR headset or the mixed reality headset by Apple? Let me know your thoughts in the comment section below. And will it come in India? That's the biggest question. Let me know down your thoughts in the comment section below. So now you all guys know that Apple is working on a mixed reality headset. And yeah, I'm really excited and I'm really hoping for it to come here in India so that we can have it a try. So yeah, share this video with your friends and like this video if you really enjoyed, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel because I upload tech videos on daily basis. It'll be really interesting. Believe me, subscribe me. And also don't forget to turn on the notifications to get all the notifications whenever I post any new video. So for now, this is me Arnav signing off. Talk to you guys in the next one. Bye bye.